welcome to Vlogmas day number 21. How are you guys doing? It is late. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock at night. I did film an intro earlier today, but then I didn't vlog for the rest of the day. But then I decided that I'm going to do a late night clean with me because the house needs a deep clean. And yeah, so I thought I would vlog me cleaning and getting this house completely clean, hopefully. And I know I've said this in like every video, but we will be getting this room clean today. The beauty room will finally get cleaned. No matter what, this room has to get cleaned today. That's what we're going to do. We're just gonna do a deep clean on this house. The house is pretty bad. I mean, I'll show you our bedroom and the laundry situation, but there's a lot of clothes that needs to be put away. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a deep clean in the master, in like our room, and deep clean the entire our entire closet because it's bad, and we need to go through the clothes and pick like which ones we want to keep and which ones we don't. So I want to get that done before Christmas, and I also need to get the garage cleaned. Yeah, I have a lot. There will be a giveaway in today's video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see what I will be giving away. And yeah, let's get cleaning.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I've built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas.
Pervert. Pervert. That was perfect timing. You should put that in.
You guys, I finally got my beauty room cleaned. It doesn't look the best, but it's like the best it's been this month. I can't show you like all around the room because there's some presents in here and my kids watch my vlogs, so I can't show everything, but hopefully tomorrow I will be able to, because I'm going to buy some tape so I can wrap up all their presents and get them out of this room. But I just wanted to show you guys what the beauty room is looking like right now. I did dust like everything in here, and there was so much dust. Like there was just so much up here. Like this looks 100 times better than what it did. But it is like 10 o'clock right now, and I only got my bedroom done, the beauty room, and the laundry area. And I still have the rest of the house to do. So let's get back to cleaning.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. Falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together. On the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love.
Okay, so done cleaning. I want to do the giveaway so I can be done with this vlog. So in today's giveaway, you will get this Jeffree Star palette with 2 single eyeshadows. You get this red sparkly shade right here, and you get this purple shade. You will also get this farmhouse, what is this, fall farmhouse Bath and Body Works candle. This Wet n Wild eyelash curler. I almost couldn't say that. And you will get 2 of the KKW lipsticks in the shade Pink 2 and Pink 4. The same way to enter, just like all of my other vlogs. All you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below. To get some extra entries, go follow me over on my couples channel, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, I will leave down below when this giveaway ends. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm tired. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!